Okay, this is your 72-hour forecast for Central PA. Again, this is Weather Outlook doing this. A lot of rain. Not as it seems like Central PA. There's some areas that may not get hit too hard, but again, everybody's going to get hit with some rain, and it's going to go on all the way off and on until maybe Wednesday. But we're just going to cover up here till Sunday. Okay, so these are your temperatures this afternoon, what they were. They warmed up pretty good, even got some 80s in here, especially down here by Harrisburg and Lancaster. You can see here it's cooler, but that's where there's a rain shower gone through, so it's kind of brought it down a little bit. There you go. These thunderstorms are popping up. They're not everywhere, but you get underneath one of them, you get a pretty good downpour. Again, this is simulated around 4 in the afternoon. Here's 5, here's 6 o'clock, and you can see they're spotting. Now, they kind of, as the night goes on, they kind of sit along the northern border up here towards Wellsboro. Bradford's out here, Towanda, up in that area there as we get overnight, you can see they pack a little bit of a punch. Across here, you can see some of these heavy downpours overnight, and as we head towards the morning, they begin to organize a little bit. But you see how they're popping up like this? If this simulated radar is right, you'll see some thunderstorms, and then they'll be like hit and miss, but there'll be a bunch of them, so you may get several of them, not just one. This takes you to around 3 in the morning. Here's 4, here's 5, here's 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning. And you can see the rain stops down here. It's basically up here again in the northern part of the viewing area. And as it goes through during the day on Saturday, this is Saturday afternoon, later on in the afternoon, but the sun starts to pop it up around 4 o'clock on Saturday, and you get another line of storms coming together across the area. This is Williamsport up here, State College is out here. Here's Selinsgrove, Sunbury here, south of where the storms are at. But they pop up. Now, as we get later on in the evening, this is around 8 o'clock Saturday night, now the southern part of the area begins to see a little bit of action as they come across. This takes you to around 9. Here's 10. Here's 11. This is Saturday night. There's 12, and you can see some pretty good rain going on for a lengthy period of time here. And then as we get, it's a pretty solid rain band. So this is 2 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. Here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, here's 6, here's 7 in the morning. Even a couple of thunderstorms again lining up down here to the south. And then during the day on Sunday, it's a hit or miss shower. And then as you get later on in the day, once again, get a couple of thunderstorms start popping up. And this pattern is going to keep on going like this until that low pressure system gets out of the way. Now this takes you to around midnight right here, Sunday night. And so what we have, total precipitation between now and Sunday night at midnight, you can see all these oranges are over an inch, 2 inches, almost 2 inches of rain in some areas. The blues are like 3/4 to an inch. The lighter yellows are an inch to maybe an inch and a half. So everybody gets hit pretty good. If you look down to the southern corner down there towards Lancaster, you're only showing like 3/4 of an inch down there, but rain is going to continue in the next week, and everybody's numbers are going to rise. All right, everybody take care. Be safe.